At a ceremony held in observance of World Food Safety Day at the Laban Intention Cricket Facility, East Coast, Demerara, on Tuesday, Dr. Guyana'S Smith, the Food and Agriculture Organization's country representative, announced that as part of plans to support better health outcomes of Guyana'S by reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses locally, the organization has commenced an assessment of the food safety measures in all of the administrative regions.
We are facilitating this group of dedicated persons to assess the food safety control systems that are here in Guyana today. Under this initiative, staff from the different regions have been trained in a comprehensive food systems assessment tool. The second phase that we're going into is a detailed self-assessment process.
According to Dr. Smith, the findings of the assessment would be used to recommend ways in which the systems can be enhanced and made more robust.
And when this is complete, we will have a very comprehensive picture that we can use to prioritize where we are going to pinpoint our resources and our time for strengthening, how we're going to create better synergies and ensure that this food safety and food control system that we have is of the highest level and is globally accepted or is operating at globally accepted food safety standards.
Wilmot Garnett, country representative of the Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture, lauded Guyana's adaptation of the One Health initiative, which seeks to promote a productive and competitive agricultural sector that provides safe food for local, regional, and global markets. He disclosed that through partnership with international and local agencies, the Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture conducts continuous training of food inspectors across the country. Garnett added that the next course of action being pursued is the finalization of the food safety bill.
The following legislations were selected to be addressed under the current SPS project. 3 countries are benefiting from this initiative. For Guyana, the Fisheries Amendment Bill, which will seek to modernize the fisheries sector to include regulation of illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing that affects the fishing regime both locally and internationally through an agreement for port state measures.
Food safety remains a work in progress in Guyana. The Guyana Food Safety Authority, which was established in 2019 with the mandate of conducting inspections of foods grown, manufactured, or imported into the country, has not been operationalized as yet. However, other local agencies, such as the Government Analyst Food and Drug Department, conducts some measure of checks to ensure compliance. In relation to the finalization of the food safety bill, earlier this year, Minister of Agriculture Zulfikar Mustafa indicated that the country will see a revolution in the legislative framework in strengthening the legislative agenda with the objective of establishing a sound and comprehensive national and regional legislative framework for plant and animal health, food safety, and fisheries. Model bills, protocols, measures, and guidelines were developed recently through extensive consultations with various stakeholders. According to the minister, amendments to strengthen the food safety bill are being looked at, after which it will be taken to the National Assembly for consideration. In his World Food Safety Day message, Mustafa drew attention to the 600 million cases of foodborne diseases, resulting in 420,000 deaths from unsafe food around the world. He added that this reality is unacceptable and preventable. Therefore, Guyana's food safety systems must be taken to the next level. Mustafa assured access to safe food for all Guyanese. In 2022, the Ministry of Agriculture was allotted $28.7 million towards its mandate of food safety. Since then, a number of projects have been launched to achieve this objective, which includes the development of a national farm registration and traceability system, as well as the construction and installation of the cattle and swine abattoir. World Food Safety Day was held under the theme Safer Food, Better Health. Tamika Rodney reporting for the HGB Nightly News.